Hello students, today we will begin with grammar part, editing omissions. This is also editing exercise. In this exercise, omissions are there. Omissions means one word has been omitted in each line. एक word missing होगा. This is also called missing words exercise. This is worksheet 66 and let us begin it. In the passage given below, one word has been omitted in each line. Write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after in the space provided against each correct blank number. Do not forget to underline the word written by you. The first one has been done for you as an example. Paragraph will be given and here spaces are given. And you have to write the before word, the missing word and the after word. Okay. जहाँ भी आपका missing word है, उस जगह पे आप slash लगा सकते हो और जो missing word है वो center पे लिखोगे, उससे पहला word और उसके बाद का word इधर आप लिखोगे. Let us start it. Rivers play important part. One word is missing. Rivers play important part. Yes, here. Rivers play an important part in our lives. But towns, cities are... Which word is missing? But towns, cities... Yes, but towns and cities. But towns and cities are polluting water resources. Are polluting water resources. One word is missing. Are polluting water resources. Tell me the word. Yes, are polluting the water resources. Industrial waste thrown into rivers. Industrial waste thrown into rivers. Yes, industrial waste is thrown into rivers which makes polluted. Which makes polluted. किसको pollute करता है? Which makes rivers को pollute करता है. तो the rivers तो हम लिख नहीं सकते, two words हो जाएंगे. एक ही word लिखना है तो the rivers के लिए क्या लगेगा? Them. Which makes them polluted. उन्हें them polluted. This pollution produces a large number diseases. It is very clear कौन सा word missing है? This pollution produces a large number diseases. A large number of diseases for humans as well for animals. Clear है? For humans as well as for animals. Government of India launched some. Government of India ने launch किया है. Has launched. Okay. Government of India has launched some action plans control water pollution. Action plans to control water pollution. Second one. Forests very precious to us. The missing word is given. Forests are very precious to us. Forests are very precious to us. हमारे लिए बहुत कीमती हैं. Our population increasing rapidly. Our population is increasing rapidly. That is reason we need more land. That is the reason we need more land for agriculture as well for. Again clear है आपका as well as होता है. For agriculture as well as for human settlement. The forests being cut down. The forests are being cut down fulfill these requirements. The forests are being cut down to fulfill these requirements. Only 20% our land is covered. Only 20% of OF. Only 20% of our land is covered with forests. It become very important. It has become. It has become very important for us to save the forests. For us to save the forests. Come to the third one. Mother Teresa born on 27th August 1910. Mother Teresa was born. At age of 12, she, yes, very much clear. At the age of 12, she decided help the poor. She decided, yes, to help the poor. She chose India for services. She chose India for her services. She chose India for her services. At the age 18, at the age of 18, she joined community of nuns with mission. She joined community of nuns with mission. Which word is missing? Here. She joined community of nuns with a mission. Come to the next page. With a mission in Calcutta. After a few months training, she was sent India. She was sent to India. Yes, she was sent to India. She started open air school क्या मिसिंग है? She started an open air school for homeless children. Come to the fourth one. A helpline been opened. The word is given. A helpline has been. A helpline has been opened in United Kingdom for people. In United Kingdom for the people who had close encounter with. Who had a close encounter with aliens, making it first of its kind. Making it the first. फर्स्ट वर्ड हो गया, लास्ट वर्ड हो गया, तो इनके साथ द लगता है. द फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड द कंट्री. मेकिंग इट द फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड in the country. The phone service offers counseling to those who believe have been abducted. One word is missing here. What is the word? Those who believe they have been abducted by extraterrestrials. Extraterrestrials जो हमारी टेरिटरीज के नहीं है, ओके, जो अर्थ के नहीं है, एलियंस. Come to the fifth one. Rubber called rubber because at first given rubber is called rubber because at first chief use was for rubbing. At first, शुरू में chief use was for rubbing out pencil marks. इसका main use था. Its chief use was for rubbing out pencil marks. We still use it. That purpose. We still use it for that purpose. Our daily life. That purpose in our daily life. It was called India rubber because was found. It was called India rubber because it was found by Europeans in the. by किसी कंट्री के अगर पर्सन्स का नेम है किसी कंट्री के पीपल का तो द लगाते हैं, द इंडियंस, द यूरोपियंस, द अमेरिकन्स, ओके, बिकॉज इट वॉज फाउंड बाय द यूरोपियंस इन द वेस्ट इंडीज. इट इज सेड कोलम्बस, it is said that Columbus, the discoverer of America, saw the red Indians playing balls. One word is missing here. Saw the red Indians playing with balls. Come to the last one. These balls bounced so much given. These balls bounced so much that they seemed to be alive. They were of rubber. They were made of rubber. Rubber is the juice. Yes, rubber is the juice of certain trees. This juice oozes out like gum, dries, becomes solid. कौन सा word missing है? This juice oozes out like gum, गम की तरह टपकता है, गोंद की तरह टपकता है. Dries, becomes solid. Yes, dries and becomes solid. But though solid, remains soft and jumpy. But though solid होते हुए भी it remains soft and jumpy. Trees from which क्या word missing हो सकता है? Soft and jumpy. Trees from which rubber obtained. The trees, okay, the trees from which rubber obtained grow chiefly. The trees from which rubber is obtained grow chiefly in South America, Central Africa. South America and Central Africa. So these are the exercises. I hope that you must have understood them.